Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be showing you my beauty haul for the month of September. Um, I've been gone for a while because I was moving and I had so much to pack up. It took me a month to pack up everything because my place was kind of big and I had so much to do, and it took me 3 weeks to unpack. So just now getting back into the hang of things, and so I'm back again with my videos, and I hope to never be gone that long again. So anyways, getting to it, I went to Raine and I picked up Cheers to the Beauty. Now in actuality, I picked up a different palette. They were all on sale, but for some reason, Raine sent me out this packet, which was bigger and better than the one that they had for me before. So I'm not complaining. And this one is called the Cheers to the Beauty. And this is what the palette looks like. So let's swatch the gold one. Isn't that so vivid? And that's called Rose. So let's do the darkened gold called Nightingale. Look at that, it's like a bronze. So pretty. Alright, so while I was there on the site, I decided to also pick up some lipstick. And this is the satin lipstick. It's vegan and cruelty free, gluten free. All good pluses in my book. So let's see here. And the color of this one is called Bourgeois. And this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Very pretty color, like a reddish brown, a maroon reddish brown. So while I was at it, I decided to go to BH Cosmetic. I hadn't ordered anything from them in a while. The last thing I ordered from them, the mailman had gave to my neighbors, and it was a big box of makeup and brushes. In fact, he gave a total of 3 different packages to my neighbors, which I don't know which neighbors he gave it to. No one ever brought it to me to tell me that they had it. It just so happened I checked and it was gone. And I ran to the mailbox, and all the mailboxes had keys in them, the overnight boxes, so I knew it was gone. And I figured it after 2 days, after the first day, I knew I wouldn't get it back because I had so much I ordered from Walmart and from BH Cosmetics, and I just knew I wouldn't get it. So it took me a while to order back from BH Cosmetics. So I decided I would go with the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition, and I would order something from them. So I ordered a few things from the site. See if I can get this out. This is hugging it very well. Oh. Alright, this seems to be a little challenge. I like challenges, but not stupid challenges. Keep feeling like I'm going to have to tear this open. Here we go. Yeah, it won't let this go at all. There we go, finally got it. Alright, and these are the colors. The colors do not have the names on them. So let's just swatch with the grapey purple here. That is what it looks like. Let's try the pink here, which is my favorite color. These colors are lively, but not that lively. They're good colors. Alright, so while there, I picked up 3 brushes. Well, I picked up 2. They too also sent me something that I didn't order, but I figured the free brushes might have been sold out, because with the order you got free travel brushes, and so I didn't get them. In fact, they sent me two flat shaders. One I paid for and one they sent in place of the night ones. The traveling the traveling eyeshadow. You know what I mean. So let me show you what brush number 7 flat shader looks like. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So as I said, they sent me 2 of them. And this is the one that I also ordered, brush V8, the vegan lip brush, because I'm trying to get into the lipstick, the matte lipstick that are not liquid, but I forget what you would call them, but I'm trying to get into those liquid type lipsticks. So I ordered a brush, which is like my 3rd brush, because I'm hoping I find a brush that'll do just the job. So I was on eBay and I decided to pick up me some Marc Jacobs mascara, because I got one in the trial size from Sephora play on box, and I liked it so much, and it made my lashes look big and bulky in a good way, not a bad way. So I decided to order 2, and it was 2 for $14 for the deluxe travel size ones. So I want to go into my makeup travel box and want to stay here, and I'm hoping to get a big one because I'm loving Marc Jacobs mascara. So while I was at it, I also shopped at Miss A. So I picked up some goodies. And what I wanted from there was a lot of liquid eyeliner for when I'm trying to do a wing eyeliner on my eyes. And I can't seem to master it with the pencil ones. So I wanted something that was more liquefied and more thinned out so I could be able to do it. So while there, I picked up their beauty blender for $1.55. Now everything at Miss A's is supposed to be $1, but this here was $1.55, and it gives back to the animal shelters. So I was like, why not? I love animals. I just don't have none as pets because I feel that they are the masters and we are the pets in a sense, because we feed them, we clothe them, we clean up their poop, and we walk them. What better job can you have? So I can't really regulate my time to that because 1, I have a bad back, and 2, I would have to walk the dog or take care of the animal, and I just can't do it. And after my last dog died, well, my son's dog died, I took it hard, and I haven't been able to take in another pet since then. So, but this gives back to them, to the animal shelter. So a portion of the money goes back. So I picked that up. So I'm trying to get off into falsies. I don't wear falsies. For some reason, I can feel them on my eyes. Like, it doesn't feel natural. It feels like something is bulky on my eyes. And I go to trying to peel it off. 1, I don't feel like I put it on there correctly. And 2, it just so bulky on my eyes. It just feels like it's scratching up my eyelids. And like it's going to go into my eyes and scratch up my retinas. And I just can't have that. So I finally convinced myself that it's all in my mind, and to try to give this a chance. So I ordered some of these, and these are the L lashes. The ones I ordered, some ones called Zoe, but those were sold out. So they had to refund me my money, or they said that they would try to send it to me. I also bought one of these. I'm gonna give this as a gift to someone. As you see here, this is what it does. It holds the beauty blender. So I bought another beauty blender. Let's see here if I can open this. Alright, and this is how this one looks. Now it is, after I had already ordered it, I start reading the reviews carefully, and they say it's kind of hard, and no matter how much you wet it, it's just not gonna work. I'm telling you here now, as I'm squeezing it, it is hard, and I'm starting to think that I'm gonna have a hard time with this one. But I bought it so they could reach underneath the eyes when I'm doing my eyes, doing the concealer and stuff. But this is kind of tough. It really is kind of hard. Not kind of, it's hard. Maybe it'll get softer the more I squeeze it. Only in my mind, huh? Alright, so I picked up the eyeliners. And some I got to use for my eyebrows. Because I've tried the liquid eyebrows. And I've tried the pomade. And those doesn't work well for me. I learned that the pencil works just fine for me. So these are what I picked up. I picked up 2 of these. And it's the Wonder liquid eyeliner. Picked up the eyeliner pencil in brown. So here's the second one. Then I picked up another eyebrow, and this one is in black. And so this one too is in brown. This is a lighter brown, as you can see here. So while I was at it, I decided to pick up some bags for when I travel. I never know when I'm gonna travel, because most of the time it's been that I travel for funerals, and I hate that, because I would like to travel more than just for funerals. But I figured while I'm at it, I'm always just pick up some bags and stuff that I need, because I always end up having to use plastic bags to separate my dirty clothes from my clean clothes. And so I thought I'd pick up something like, you know, this one is for the curling irons and the brushes and the combs and stuff. Let's see here. And this is how this one looks. So I also picked up one for the clothes. This one says laundry. So while I was at it, I needed a bigger makeup bag, because I carry 2 separate makeup bags in my purse. As they said, everything in Texas is bigger. Well, I needed mine to be bigger. So this is what I picked up. A brand new makeup bag. And this one here was $2.50, I do believe. So like I said, not everything is $1 there. Just certain things are not $1. And that was it. So thank you for watching, and you have a good morning, good evening, or good night, depending on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.